In this video, I'll be sharing with you on 5 mistakes to avoid in broiler poultry farming. I'm Chijin Ryan from Poultry Academy. Number one mistake that you should always avoid is do not seek loan from any bank or from anybody to start up a broiler poultry farming. One of my friends did this and the story was very bad. He lost his job and went into broiler poultry farming without any form of experience. And at the fourth week, Newcastle striked and he lost everything and he was unable to pay back the loan. Then the second thing is that do not listen to anybody that said you should not vaccinate your broiler. Make sure that you vaccinate your broiler properly at all costs. You hear me? Vaccinate your broiler at all costs. Some people might come to you and tell you that it doesn't matter. It does matter. Then the next thing or the third thing is that do not vaccinate your sick broilers. The same way you don't vaccinate your sick baby, do not vaccinate your sick broilers. Then the fourth thing is that do not feed your broilers during hot weather. Don't feed your broilers during hot weather. Then the fifth thing is that don't use because you want to sell your bedding as in the litters as to those that wants to use it for manure and leave your pens to be very dirty because most people does that. You leave your pen to be very dirty because you want to sell the litters to those that wants to buy. It is better not to sell anything and your broilers are healthy.